Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the DeMark Trendline Trader Indicator. Okay, it is actually an effective indicator for identifying support, resistance, and potential breakouts. If you've ever struggled with drawing accurate trend lines, then this indicator does it automatically, making trading much easier. Okay, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trading breakdown. Okay, let us get started, shall we? I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right now, the DeMark Trendline Trader Indicator. All right. So now this indicator, as you can see, automatically plots trend lines to help traders to spot trend direction, support and resistance zones and breakout targets, right? So it generates two diagonal lines, as you can see, and two horizontal trend lines, each serving a different purpose. Now, for your diagonal lines, you will notice that they represent short-term price movement. Okay, the red line marks support level where price may bounce, while the lime line indicates resistance where price may reverse. Then for the horizontal trend lines, they show major price zones. The green line identifies a key resistance level, while the crimson red line highlights a major support level. So in addition to these trend lines, the indicator also displays breakout price targets in the upper left corner of the chart. As you can see right here, the upper left corner of the chart, it displays breakout price targets. Okay, so these levels help traders predict where price may move next. Now, how do you use the DeMark Trendline Trader for trading? Let us just break down how to trade using these trend lines effectively. Okay, for your buy signal, when the red diagonal line appears, it signals a strong support zone. All right, and if the price should hold above this level, traders can look for a long entry, can look for buy trades if the price should hold above that level. Then the green horizontal line acts as a take profit target. All right. Now for your sell signal, when the lime green diagonal line appears, it marks a resistance zone. So if price should reject this level, traders can consider short positions. That is, if price should fail to break above it, because at this point it seems like price has broken above it already. All right. So if price rejects this level, traders can consider short positions. Then the crimson red line is going to be serving as the horizontal line, is going to be serving as a support target. Okay, now well, we can see that price had already dropped from here to this support level, so now it seems like we are having a buy from here possibly to here. Well, the indicator also plots dots over candlesticks. If we zoom in, we're going to see some dots. They are really small dots though. All right, that's just to confirm market movements. Okay, helping traders to gauge potential trend strength. So when you notice dots below the candlesticks, it could signal, maybe a potential upward movement. Dots above the candlestick could signal potential downward movement, right? Now, this indicator works best on higher time frames, such as 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily. You can see I'm currently on the 1 hour chart. Okay, it actually helps, it helps in identifying more accurate signals, right? Because on shorter time frames, the indicator may generate false signals, due to rapid price fluctuations. Yeah, so it's better to use it on higher time frames, right, to get a more authentic signal. Now, for higher accuracy, traders often use this indicator with moving averages. Okay, you can actually decide to combine this indicator with moving averages just to determine overall direction. For example, the moving average now is telling us that we are in a buy trend. The overall direction is a bullish direction. So you can decide if you want to trade in the overall direction, then you should be looking for buy trades. But if you have a breakout, you can see currently the moving average shows that price has broken below. So in that case, if you're looking for breakout trades, then you can go ahead to look for breakout trades. So basically, adding the moving average can give you further insight into prevailing trend direction, all right? And then you can combine with the MACD as well. You can actually combine with various indicators, any indicator of your choice, to confirm momentum shifts. You can use the MACD, indicator. All right, you can also decide to use the RSI. Yeah, you can use the RSI to to avoid entering trades in overbought or oversold conditions. The choice is yours. Actually, you select the indicator you want to use, right? The indicator you want to use for confirmations is your choice, actually. But basically, by combining multiple indicators, traders can filter out false signals. When multiple indicators are telling you the same thing, like let's say we have a moving average, we have MACD, we have RSI, and maybe we had a buy signal around here. Let's just go back a bit. We had a buy signal around here, and then the MACD is also giving us a buy signal. You can see this bullish crossover, and then at the same time the RSI is giving us a buy signal. You can see that the RSI also had a bullish move upward. It went close to the oversold and it climbed back up and even crossed above the 50 level. So we had a confluence around here, and the price is steadily above the moving average. So we had a buy confirmation. So in that case, it was a very good opportunity to buy because we had a confluence. So when you have multiple indicators telling you to buy, it could mean that that signal has a higher chance of playing out. If likewise, if multiple indicators are telling you to sell, this could mean that that signal has a higher chance of playing out. But it doesn't mean that the profit is guaranteed. Okay, there is no guarantee. Okay, because no singular indicator is foolproof. Okay, so basically the DeMark Trendline Trader Indicator is quite an effective indicator that you can use for your trading. Okay, it doesn't matter what kind of trader you are, whether you are a scalper or day trader or a swing trader, you can actually add this indicator to your trading toolkit. Okay, yeah, in order for you to spot trend line analysis, in order to improve your trend line analysis, to spot breakout zones and trade with more confidence. So if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments, how do you use trend lines in your trading strategy? Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.